As a Node developer, I'm pretty sure you already ran into the infamous command not found error after executing the npm link command into one of your local packages. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how to troubleshoot this error step by step with a simple checklist you can reapply every time you encounter it. So the first thing you can do here to fix this error is to open the package.json file of your local project and make sure that the bin field is defined and contain at least one key value pair, where the key is the name of the command that will be made globally available when executing npm link, and the value is a valid path to your script's entry point. To check that the path is valid, you can open your terminal and run the node command followed by that path, and if your script executes, you're good. Once you've done that, you should naturally make sure that you are actually using the key of the bin field as command and not the name of the package itself. By the way, if you're new to backend development with Node and want to actually start shipping instead of just guessing, you can check out now my free email course that will teach you how to easily build your first command line interface tool and Express API in just 7 days. You'll find the link in the description below. Now back to the video. Now, if you still get an error at this point, you should first open your script into your text editor and make sure that it starts with the following shebang directive, which simply put tells your shell that this file should be executed using the node binary present in one of the directories listed in your path environment variable. And second, you should make sure that your script is executable by giving it execution permission using the chmod command. If even after checking all that your command is still not working, this may be caused by your Node version manager. See, when you're using tools like NVM or Homebrew to manage multiple versions of Node, each installation comes with its own global bin directory where the npm commands are exposed. Consequently, if you use the npm link command with one version of Node, then switch to another version, the linked package will most likely not exist in the global bin directory of the current version, therefore causing the command not found error. So, to quickly check if the package has been linked to your current npm version, you can run the following command that will list the content of its bin directory. Now, if your command doesn't appear in this list, you can either switch to the version of Node the command was linked from, or rerun the npm link command from the directory of your local project to create a new symlink for this version. Finally, the last thing you should check is that the path to the npm bin directory actually exists in your path environment variable. If this command doesn't produce any output, simply add the following command to your zshrc or bash rc configuration file and run the source command to update your shell's environment. And here it is for today. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers!